Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. We're checking out the 67 F100, but before we do, I want to make sure you guys like and subscribe. If you're new here, that's going to get you seeing these new rides before the next guy. You don't want to miss out. We got a lot of cool stuff coming through every day. All right, tune in, we'll go through it.
This shit wavy.
Starting right up here at the front end, this truck's been fully restored. It wears all of its original metal. We have a lot of very cool things and neat options going on, starting with this 352 FE under the hood. That release is right here for you. And just like that. So you got some nice chrome finned Edelbrock valve covers, that lovely clean air cleaner. This is a 2-barrel 352, kind of like the little brother to the 390. It's got a dual master cylinder, lovely looking radiator, new hoses, new gaskets all over the place. This car has not too many miles on it since the restoration. Motor was redone, transmission gone through, and you see the whole exterior, interior has been refinished. Let me show you guys this closing up. Very, very nice. All of our lights, our lenses, the bright work is all new. This grille is finished in a nice silver paint. The bumper looks excellent. Ford badging all across, tight where it's supposed to be. Looking up here, it's freshly redone. So we don't have any paint chips. We don't have any cracks, any dents. Did a very nice job on this one. And we take a peek up at this windshield. Looks like some new bright work along here. Wipers look good. I don't see any chips or cracks, anything going on in this windshield. That's likely a new piece. Some brand new tires on there. I love the white line on the white Steely with the little dog dish caps. It gives this truck a lovely, lovely period correct look. Coming down this bedside, top to bottom, the lines are very straight. The trim is an impressive shape. All the fitment is really on point. It's not wavy. They've done a very nice job blocking that out. Lenses, beauty rings, all looks fabulous. The lettering in here is stout. This is in rather good shape too. And just like that, got a fully bed-lined bed back here. Tubs are in good shape. The floor pan is in good shape. And again, this is a solid survivor truck as far as metal goes. So have no rust to worry about. Closes up good. Got a nice shiny little tip out the back. Bumper looks even. We'll come around this side here again. There is a full-size spare with this truck as well, with the white line and everything. All right, now for a closer look. Like I just mentioned, most of the components in here are new. This is how you might have found this truck back in the day, but it has been recovered. The cushion is in here is good. No busted up springs. It's actually pretty comfortable. See, we got seat belts for 2 passengers. Has a new carpet kit. Even though the rubber on all your pedals has been replaced. I mentioned this dash pad is in excellent shape. This is a new piece as well. We got a lovely working little radio in here. It is an AM piece. We got all of our gauges over there. Made sure all those are working good for you guys. We got power wipers, lights, all that jazz. And we do have a heater in here, 3-speed blower motor. This truck too was optioned with the headliner. That's kind of a classy option. Love to see those. And then right inside of this glove compartment here, we have the light for our emergency flashers. The glove box is very clean. All hardware is present. Like I mentioned, this truck has recently been gone through. So a lot of new stuff. It's all been ironed out and it's working very good. Even the seals on this glass back here, if you can catch that, all brand new stuff. Door seals, window seals. Looks like these handles and cranks are new. Very, very tight truck, guys. Guys, it's been my pleasure today. Thank you for coming along with us. If you want to know anything more, if you want to see any of the pictures, the full write-up description, get the history on this thing, you can give us a call, you can check out our website, email us, and good news, I'm going to link all of that in the description of this YouTube video. In case you are eager to get it, it's 248-714-2110. You can dial us there, and then once more, the link to our website to view all the pictures, the underbodies, excuse me, will be right down below, the link to our website. We got tons of cool rides just like it. Reach out. Once more, my name is Mackenzie with Lafontaine Classics. We look forward to seeing you in an old ride soon. Bye-bye.